7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Little man. My name is Little Man, and y'all are Little Man. And I found this old little cat ride. She's my girlfriend because when you go to an elementary school, the only time you're gonna get a girl is if you're brown hair. But you got a cowie. So she's my girlfriend. Her name's Cowie. She's Kawasaki, and she's very fast. And she is a KX110. Oh my gosh. And she's a, look at that. Oh my gosh. And those tires, and then I have the electric start. But it's too cold. It's still winter, even though there's no snow. But we have a cowie, so we don't need snow. And we got that, and we got a gas tank, and we also have no gas, which is poopy. This is how you ride it. Oh, look for cars always. We don't need to get hit by a car on this brand new green machine. Okay, we need to shift down. Okay, no cars. Oh, okay. Safety first. We can't get the balance. Balance. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Do we seriously not have enough gas? Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, the joke is on. It will work now. Okay. Yeah. Uh-oh. What is that? One more time. This is it. I got it. She's a beast. We can't rain. Rain is not good. Okay, let's go. Put her away. Walk in the garage you go. We can't have you getting steamy. Steamy is not good. We need you to stay like this. Okay, stay. Stay right there. Stay now, darling. Stay. Alright guys, it's Devin. That was just a funny video. That's gonna be actually a series of Little Man where I'm just testing like machines. Like that was my first video for Little Man. And Little Man is me. Sorry if you were like 5 and you didn't know that. But yeah. And I didn't ride it, I just started it. But I am going to actually ride it though. So if you want that, stay tuned. Make sure you hit the like button. Yes, I have rode it before. It was my Christmas present. Make sure you hit that like button if you want to see me ride it. Well, this is Devin, and since I'm on the original channel, I have to say I'm out. And if you're wondering, because I do have another channel, it'll be in the description. It's called DevinW Vlogs. We're purely vlogs. And yeah, that'll be in the description. This is Devin, and I am a goner. Oopsie daisy, I said I'm a goner. Sorry, I'm used to talking in that British accent because I was just doing a whole video of Little Man. This is Devin, and I am out, actually. My other one is I'm a goner. This is I am out.